Another side. This mask is important, then sanitizer also important. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to share how I am preparing for my daughter's new academic beginning, and also hope this video will give you all some tips and ideas. So let's get started. Hi, I'm going to put Angela's school books cover. School is going to start July 29. No, not July 29.
September.
August.
Yeah, August
29. And also she changed the school also. So this academic she's going to new school and new class and new friends she's going to meet. So it's everything, it's new for her. So this time we got even the books also very late. So last minute only we got. So today I thought okay, everything will finish it up. Otherwise it's too late also. We can't finish it. For that only I'm going to start for the school books for covering, and this school they said only no need to put the brown cover. Because previous school they said we have to cover with the brown cover only, the school books or notebooks, but this school just we can cover with this transparent cover, book cover. So I got this from Lulu yesterday, and we can get this type of roller or we can get this type of thing. We can get like this also. This is each one it's coming 10 sheets. It's very, isn't it? And also I got this kind of roller also, transparent cover roller. In case if I need, I got this one. The problem this one we have to get we have to take the measurement and we have to put the cover. But this one is very easy to put. That's the reason I got this also, and for emergency purpose I am keeping this roller also with me because it's too much. So many, these all are notebooks. This school they are giving a notebooks like a long books. Other school, the previous one, the notebooks are very small one, but here in this school all the notebooks are the long one, the big size. These are the school books. Label last time so this is the this kind of thing. So it's look like this. So we have to remove this part, the back one, this check part we have to remove it, and the transparent, same like wallpaper. It's look like a wallpaper only. We just peel it and we have to put wherever we want.
What do you want? You use
label anga ada eduthu ada kudu.
she is joining a new school, we have bought a new pair of uniforms. Even though if it is a new uniform, it is good to iron and remove all the folds and keep it tip top.
Where is this one? This
Which one you want?
one.
Oh, this one. Purple. Which color bag you have?
Doesn't have space.
Sticky note, pens, pencils.
And highlighter and the correction pen and sharpener, eraser and ruler.
Okay. And here all color pencil and glue stick. Yeah. Okay. Wire. Mask. Next is mask is important. Then sanitizer also important. These all are extra mask. She's going to keep it in her bag, school bag. One more book, I think. This is lunch bag.
This is the tomato.
Side button, yeah.
On her first day to school, she had taken randomly few books and notebooks. Since she is not aware of her timetable, so she took randomly her notebooks and books. Especially during this period, it's always safe and hygiene to carry sanitizer to school, and it is also handy for the children while it is placed outside the backpack.
Oh, nice.
They given a batch, a temporary batch for her, and later on they will issue the new one. So
I always insist to my children to keep the badge along with the backpack like that, so they will not misplace or forget anywhere.
now school bag is ready and uniform also ready, and lunchbox and everything I have to clean it and keep it ready. So now ready for school tomorrow.
Other important thing to do is setting up the alarm for the next day to rise up early and to be on time to school.
Tomorrow morning I'm going to keep the alarm for 5:45. I think it's enough for her, because before I used to get up 4:45, 5 o'clock. Now the school is nearby, so I'm going to set up the alarm for 5:45. Let's see. I'm going to keep the alarm for 5:45 a.m. Okay, repeat for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then okay, and then put the tick mark also. Okay, it's already alarm, set the alarm for 5:45 a.m. So this is the main important. That's it.
Always we encourage our kids to recite a small prayer before leaving home.
Happy birthday. And the parents and the Holy Spirit. God bless you.
By watching this video, hope everybody would have got an idea. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video, and I will see you next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.